Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. It's the weekend and I have so many things to do. First and foremost, to all of you lovely ladies out there who enjoy seeing my husband, here he is. He has to clean out the trash cans because Kim don't do trash, okay? It's been raining so much, there are so many weeds, so I need to pull some weeds out of this flower bed right here as well as off of my patio in the back. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you hype your girl up, leave me a comment, and hit the like button. All of these things are free. They're finally done building these condos right here and the ones behind them, but like there's a real big eyesore there, the porta-john. But hey, I ain't mad. The workers got to go to the bathroom too, right? So now we're at the stage where I'm going to put on the clear coat. I was going to use that clear coat right there, but I think I'm just going to take these outside and spray paint them because I feel like that'll be much easier. Why did I not wait for my husband? To cover that up, but it's very windy. I think that Chicago is no longer the windy city. It's Columbus. But look how dirty my patio is. I told my nephew I need the power washer, but he's ignoring me, so I'm just gonna go steal it, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna steal it so that I can get this handled. Anyway, let me show you what I'm gonna use. Your girl is brilliant, just saying. Since it's been raining so much, my weeds came back. So I'm gonna get those pulled while I'm out here too. And there's lots of worms and bird crap on the patio. This is what I'm using. It is a clear gloss. Hopefully it's not too glossy. I don't want it too glossy. Here we are in the final stages of finally getting these taken care of. These are my new nightstands that I bought and I did not like the color, therefore I painted them. So if you have not seen that video, please go check it out. I will be sure to link it in the description box. It's so funny too because my daughter, she has a really good eye for style, my youngest daughter. So I was asking her like, should I keep the handles the same color or should I paint them? And she was like, keep them the same color. Now she decided she don't like them. I don't want to track anything in the house. I'm gonna walk all the way around to the front so that I can grab my broom. I'll show you guys what everything's looking like, especially if you've been here for a while and know the journey that we have embarked upon in the development with all this. So in an upcoming video, I will be painting the handles of my nightstands. I totally forgot y'all. Okay, sorry for forgetting about you. Here we go. So we're back and we are coming around the side to go back in the backyard. Walking through the wilderness, geez Louise. Probably not a good idea to have those sitting out there like that in the sun since I did a clear coat, so I'm gonna have to move those. I don't know if you can see all those worms, but I need to get those swept up. And that bird doo-doo, because that's not cute, okay? Here's what the weeds are looking like, and I did expect it to happen because it rained for like 5 days straight. I felt like Forrest Gump, and it rained and rained. But as I'm sitting here editing this video and really thinking about it, they're also building condos on the side of us and behind us. So I think I'm gonna wait to power wash until they're finished building. That way I'm not gonna have to steal the power washer from my nephew more than one time. One time is enough, don't you think? And by the way, I don't really mean steal. Calm down. Oh my goodness. But I am gonna take it, okay? I'm just saying. Since it's been raining so much, they haven't edged anything. So if my nephew is watching this, come edge your girl up, okay? I did forget something while I was in the garage though. So I'm gonna use this, but I forgot my hose in the garage. Don't look at that stuff back there. That's the legs to the nightstands, and I need to put the clear coat on them, but I'm just not feeling it right now. So moving right along to this, and I'm going to take my little, I'll show you.
In loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous. for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it, rendezvous.
Now that I can focus on what I was saying, I forgot my hose in the garage. So I have a little water that I'm going to use, because when you use the preem, you have to soak it down with water so that it's embedded in the soil. But I know the lighting is weird because half of the patio is shaded, which is good because I have these out here to dry.
Feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink, so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guess.
This is a fire bush. I might just take this to the front. Okay, so it's a burning bush, not a fire bush. Whatever. Plus, I need to take those fake flowers out of there too. So I might just plant that in the front. I haven't really decided yet. I've already planted most of the seeds for the flowers, but I had a few bulbs that I need to plant, and I'm going to do that today. But the very moment I planted those seeds, the landscapers came out and they were messing around in the mulch because they were going to remulch everything. And then the builder out here was like, don't mulch because we are putting rocks down everywhere else. So eventually we may change the mulch in the front to rocks. We'll see how all of that works out. I've procrastinated enough. It's time to put the clear coat on these legs, and it was so windy. I did end up doing 2 coats on the legs as well as the nightstands. There's so much going on. It's so dirty up here, but I'm going to let you guys hear some ASMR of everything that's going on in the background. And you can also watch the workers too, because they really are some hard workers, y'all, for real. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. And for those of you that keep coming back, thank you. I appreciate you so much. It's really a good idea to have a broom for the inside of your house and then a broom for the outside. Don't think that because the broom looks like the one on the inside that I'm using it out here because Kim don't transfer dirt around, okay? And at this very moment, I was like, something stinks. I don't know what that smell is. And then out my peripheral, I seen what was going on in the background. If you've been rocking with me all these years, you know I try not to go to this side of the house because I have to pass the laundry room in order to get to the other side, and Kim don't do laundry. However, it's dirty in here, y'all. And when I was walking up the steps last week, I was like, there's a weird smell. And if you know anything about me, I'm very weird about smells. And my daughter was like, I think it's coming from the laundry room. And I'm like, why do I have to clean the laundry room when I don't use it? However, in order for it to get clean, I needed to clean it. So I'm about to get down with the get down in here because I'm not down with smells. Let me tell you something. I used a few different cleaners to clean in here. I had a bleach cleaner that I wanted to just make sure everything was wiped down with. I also use yellow Mr. Clean antibacterial and my magic concoction. No, I did not faint. I did not pass out because I know what I'm doing, but it was a must. And the dust on these floors was team too much, okay? But I got it taken care of, and I'm also gonna wipe the walls down in here. I had to let my family know, y'all better take good care of this laundry room because I plan on not coming back in here for a really long time. But since it's a laundry room, you can expect it to be dusty, right? So when you first clean it, you want to wipe everything down with a paper towel. That way you're not wiping wet dust. That is so hard to clean. I thought about getting my duster, but then I thought about it like I probably would have to throw it away after I use it in here. So I just did it with paper towels, and now I'm doing it with an old cloth that I had for Christmas like a couple years ago that I forgot that I had, that I could just throw away when I'm finished with it. And then I took some clips and did a TikTok. So I will show you those clips for the inside of the washer. Let me tell you something. I worked it all the way out. I was so proud of myself.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh.
I have some really great videos lined up, so make sure you're subscribed. That way you can also see exactly what it is that I'm doing with the nightstands, since I have to paint the handles. And I'm also going to declutter my old nightstands and transfer everything over. But here's what the laundry room looks like. It looks so much better. Everything is nice and clean. I had to declutter some stuff in here and throw some stuff away, but it smells good. And there's no stinky smell. Again, thank goodness. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to love on yourself and pour love into yourself. That way it's so much easier for you to pour love into others. This is a very hard world that we live in, and we all need it.
I'll stick like glue inside your mind.